Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we're going to be reviewing a Bionik QuickShot attachment for the Xbox One. I've had these for 2 years and I'm going to be giving you my 2-year review overall, if you should buy them and if they're worth it. So I've had these for 2 years. Obviously they're really dirty. They're a lot better than when I used gamer goo, because the gamer goo residue was left on it and it messed up them like crazy, but I was able to clean it somewhat. But my overall review of these, just cut to the chase, and basically it's really good. If you don't know what Bionik QuickShots are, they enhance the trigger so it's halfway and it improves the shooting, so it's really quick. And you can also switch it to normal for other games like racing, and then you can switch it to quick shot mode and it's able to do it like a half millimeter faster, and it's really good. And it'll help you shoot a lot better. I've noticed that compared to a normal controller, because a normal controller obviously doesn't let you. The only thing is that sometimes, depending if you use them a lot like I do, it might break over time, because this little switch, as you can see, it's broken. If I can show you this, see, this little piece right here actually broke a long time ago, because I originally had it on this remote and I used to drop my controllers a lot, so that's the damage. And it was in the quick shot mode, and I guess it broke it, which sucks, but yeah, that's that. So yeah, they're really easy to take off, really easy to put back on. You can, like, this controller is really dirty right now, but yeah, they're really easy to put on, really easy to take off. Alright, so yeah, another thing is that they provide so much grip, so non-slipping. It just feels a lot better, and you can handle your controller a lot better. They do have a type for PS4. They just go on the triggers, so there's no extra grip, which is kind of a downside for PS4 players, because you can't take off this part like Xbox. So that's one downside. And I did unbox the QuickShot ones for the PS4. These are only $20, and you can probably find more cheaper ones on Amazon for like less than 20, but I recommend Bionik because they're 20 bucks. They have really good grip, they're reliable. Obviously they last 2 years and they're still properly working. They have a lot of grip and just really good. They're really worth the money, especially because they're not that expensive compared to like kontrolfreeks. These are like 15 each, around there, and this is just like $5 more, and it helps you probably a little bit more, and overall just helps you. Because this one right here, the FPS EDGE for the Xbox One, I've had this for like 4 years, and surprisingly it's still going on strong. And the left one for the FPS EDGE broke. This Galaxy one is about to break, and I've had this one for 2 years, so it's crazy, because kontrolfreeks are amazing and they last a long time, but they will wear and tear. The grip won't wear and tear. Obviously I use it every single day for the past 2 years, and it's just amazing. What do I have to say? And if the Xbox One Series X comes with the same type of controllers where you can take this off, then I'm definitely going to buy new ones, and I'm going to definitely have it set. So yeah, I recommend you guys buy it. Links are in the description. Please subscribe, because it helps this channel a lot. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I can't wait, because it's going to be really exciting to hit that milestone. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.